Welcome to this new video in our series on digital transformation. Today we'll talk about how companies are taking the use of digital twins to the next level using predictive techniques. We'll explore how we're moving from descriptive analytics, which tells us what happened, to prescriptive analytics, which not only predicts what will happen, but also recommends what actions to take. With the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, digital twins are enabling companies to not only simulate processes in real time, but to proactively optimize them. Let's start with descriptive analysis. This type of analysis shows you what has happened in the past using historical data. For example, in a production plant, descriptive analysis can tell you how many hours a machine was in operation and how many times it failed during a period of time. The next step is predictive analytics, which uses this data to forecast future events. With predictive techniques, we can anticipate when a machine might fail, what the demand for a product will be, or how the market might change. This type of analytics doesn't just describe what happened, but looks ahead, based on patterns detected by AI. Now we come to the most advanced level, prescriptive analysis. This type of analysis not only predicts what will happen, but also recommends what actions to take to optimize the outcome. With digital twins, prescriptive analytics allows companies to simulate different scenarios and get AI recommendations on the best decisions. For example, in an industrial plant, prescriptive analysis might suggest adjustments to production times to avoid bottlenecks or recommend preventive maintenance on a machine before a major failure occurs. Prescriptive analytics relies on the ability of AI and machine learning to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict outcomes. By feeding the digital twin with real-time data, AI can process the information, predict future events, and provide data-driven recommendations. A practical example would be in the logistics sector, where AI analyzes the supply chain and can suggest alternative routes to optimize deliveries or adjust inventory levels to avoid shortages or overstocking. Let us look at some examples of how prescriptive analysis is currently being used. In manufacturing, digital twins are optimizing production cycles, ensuring resources are used efficiently and recommending process changes to reduce downtime. In the energy sector, digital twins combined with prescriptive analytics are optimizing resource use and recommending improvements in energy distribution, reducing costs and improving sustainability. In the healthcare sector, digital twins can simulate personalized medical treatments, recommending optimal therapies based on individual patient data. These cases demonstrate how companies are using prescriptive analytics to optimize operations, improve decision-making, and reduce risk. Prescriptive analytics applied to digital twins is transforming the way companies optimize their operations, allowing them not only to foresee the future, but also to make the best decisions to improve it. If you are interested in how to implement these predictive techniques in your company to improve decision-making and operational efficiency, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you integrate these advanced solutions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on how advanced technologies are driving digital transformation in enterprises.